Every year, millions of engines fail for one simple reason. Not because they're old, but because their owners unknowingly destroy them every single day. Yet some cars drive over 500,000 miles with their original engine and transmission. So what's their secret? Today, I'll reveal the 6 proven habits that mechanics swear by to make a car last decades, and the final habit is the one that silently destroys more engines than almost anything else. Let's get started. Habit 1. Change your oil before your engine begs for it. If there's one habit that separates a 150,000-mile car from a 500,000-mile car, it's this one. Oil isn't just a lubricant. It's the only thing preventing thousands of metal parts inside your engine from grinding against each other every second. Over time, heat, dirt, and fuel contamination slowly break that oil down. The problem is that many drivers wait until the recommended maximum oil change interval. By then, the oil has already lost much of its ability to protect the engine. Every cold start with worn-out oil creates tiny amounts of damage that add up over thousands of miles. You won't notice it today. You probably won't notice it next year. But eventually, timing chains stretch, bearings wear out, oil consumption increases, and expensive repairs begin. The smartest owners don't wait. They change high-quality synthetic oil every 5,000 miles. Or sooner, if they drive in heavy traffic, extreme heat, or dusty conditions. Think of every oil change as buying thousands of extra miles for your engine. It's one of the cheapest investments you'll ever make. Habit 2. Take care of your transmission before it fails. Most people never think about their transmission until it starts slipping. That's because transmission damage happens silently. Every time the fluid overheats, it loses its ability to lubricate and cool the internal gears and clutches. The transmission may still feel perfectly normal, but inside, wear is slowly increasing. Then one day, the shifts become rough. A few weeks later, you're facing a repair bill worth thousands of dollars. The solution is surprisingly simple. Replace the transmission fluid every 30 to 50,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions. If you tow, drive in heavy traffic, or live in a hot climate, don't wait that long. Fresh fluid keeps temperatures under control and dramatically extends transmission life. Ignore it, and you're gambling with one of the most expensive components in your car. Habit 3. Stop abusing your engine during cold starts. This mistake happens every single morning. You start the car and immediately floor the accelerator. That first minute is actually when your engine experiences the most wear. Why? Because the oil hasn't fully circulated through every moving component yet. Without full lubrication, metal surfaces experience much more friction. But don't make another common mistake either. You don't need to idle your car for 10 minutes. Modern engines warm up much faster while driving gently. Start the engine. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds. Then, drive smoothly until the temperature reaches normal. Avoid high RPMs. Avoid hard acceleration. Those first few minutes can determine how healthy your engine remains hundreds of thousands of miles later. Habit 4. Never let your fuel tank stay nearly empty. Most drivers think running low on fuel only risks getting stranded. But that's not the biggest problem. Your fuel pump actually relies on gasoline to stay cool. When the fuel level drops too low, the pump begins running hotter than normal. Heat is the biggest enemy of electric fuel pumps. There's another hidden danger too. Over time, tiny particles collect at the bottom of the fuel tank. Frequently driving with almost no fuel increases the chance of pulling contaminants into the fuel system. That can reduce fuel pressure, clog injectors, and shorten the life of the pump. Keeping your tank above 1/4 full costs nothing, but it could save you from an expensive repair later. Habit 5. Drive smoothly instead of racing to every stopwatch. Experienced drivers closely. They rarely slam on the brakes. Instead, they look farther ahead. They lift off the accelerator early. They let the car slow naturally before gently applying the brakes. This simple habit reduces heat inside the braking system. Less heat means less wear on brake pads, rotors, tires, suspension components, and even the transmission. It also improves fuel economy. Your car feels smoother, passengers enjoy the ride more, and every part experiences less stress. Fast acceleration followed by hard braking doesn't get you there much sooner. It simply wears your car out much faster. Habit 6. Fix small problems before they become big ones. Here's the biggest difference between cars that reach 500,000 miles and cars that don't. Owners of high-mileage cars never ignore small warning signs. A tiny coolant leak, a slight vibration, a strange ticking noise, a burning smell. Most drivers keep driving until a warning light appears. By then, the damage has often spread. Small problems almost always become expensive problems, but when they're caught early, they're usually quick and inexpensive to fix. That's why experienced mechanics constantly inspect their own vehicles. They don't wait for failure, they prevent it. And that's the real secret behind cars that last for decades. Making your car last over 500,000 miles isn't about luck. It isn't about buying the most expensive vehicle. It's about building 6 simple habits that protect your engine every single time you drive. Start using these habits today, and your car could still be running long after others have ended up in the scrapyard. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more mechanic-approved car secrets. And before you leave, watch the next video, where I reveal the 10 silent engine mistakes that destroy cars long before 100,000 miles.